Get off your phone!
A legacy for your family. And it's the only book I've ever written about wealth. All the other books I wrote were my gift. Way to go.
Wait, is this a
You're being
right
good
turn
dad.
only? Yeah, it is.
Brian's with us in Columbus, Ohio. Hey, Brian, how are you?
Right turn only.
How are you doing? Better than I deserve.
Let me guess, you're going to exit? Of course.
Hello, lady with a black hat. Little lady, please.
Don't turn on.
Just leave her to carry on.
You can only turn right on red if you're in the right lane.
No, it's too much.
Wow. Really?
Collect it for a while. I don't have a 53-year track record on collecting anything, but I have a wonderful collection of antique water skis.
Really?
I'm a gun guy,
Hyundai
so
up
I've got
there.
a great
Wow.
collection of firearms and so on. So I get on a binge, you know, on different things. And I suspect you would get great joy.
Go! And fix your windshield, too.
Doug Walker fraudulently crowdfunded $90,000. Now, let me back up. Doug Walker put up an Indiegogo project to raise money for some new shows they wanted to produce, including...
Awesome. You fucked up with that. See, my only stake in this is, yeah, entertainment is subjective.
That BMW ran.
New nostalgia critic.
Straight from the left turn lane. Red light. What the? Oh my god, people are just... Danbury! That's all I can say. You ain't gonna get there first. Na 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 na.
While you're watching the live stream, tweet to Uber and Darwin that you want.
What are you doing there?
Driver's fair. Do this throughout the live stream until they make the announcement. If he doesn't make the announcement, really.
What was the point of that?
And tag news stations while you're at it.
What are you stopping for? Go!
Okay. It's a pain in the butt, isn't it? But I mean, we've had stuff like Rachel, my daughter, is one of our Ramsey personalities. You may know that, right?
Red light. 2 red lights. Jeez. 2 for 1 special.
Here, we could do like another live stream, or we could just keep doing this live stream. If you're in the area, come hang out.
That's dumb.
Here all night. It's kind of, well, it's kind of dead right now.
Oh, look at that big ass tablet. He's running Uber on it, I think. Right in the middle of the screen. How the fuck are you supposed to see where you're going?
There was a recent set of two sets of porn stars who look like they're bald and in like hoodies who make.
Well, you just ran right through the stop sign.
The porn industry at large, and
yeah, I'm doing the same thing.
I'm waiting for.
So free
your money that's going out each and every month, building up the credit card company's legacy and everybody else's. And so that's what you got to do. So you and your husband get plugged in, sit down together and say, okay,
really? This fucking guy. Of course you had to go. Oh, big girl. Oh, no, don't be bro. Oh, you're an idiot.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Whoa. The fuck is that? Whoa! Don't assume the person in front of the... And why are you driving on the wrong side of the street? Okay. Red light runner. Okay.
Fuck out of there. I mean, honestly, I mean, if they could find a backer.
Red light runner.
If they could find a financial backer, maybe just buy him a shot.
Council was supposed to be coming down here and putting all this right. You ain't even bloody boys, you're men.
Really?
Grown men.
What an asshole. And I'm not even turning right. I'm still going to call him an asshole.
Together, and they just... If you go to Rachel Cruz's YouTube channel, Rachel Cruz, C-R-U-Z-E,
I'm just going to go around this guy.
Rachel Cruz's YouTube channel. Subscribe to her channel tonight.
Look at that. I just love how that audio is just sticking by that while people are moving out of the way. It's just interesting. The ambulance is going by.